All right, so what we're going to do today is we've got a 2020 Weir Farm quarter, and we're going to make this into a coin ring. I'm going to go ahead and get fully set up, and the first thing we're going to do is punch a hole in it. To do that, we're going to use this. I've got this on my recommended tool list on my website, coinringmaker.com, if you want to get you one. They're pretty sweet. And we're just Hello. So what we're doing today is we're taking this quarter, which I've punched a hole in, and we're going to make it into a ring. If at any time during this live you guys want to get yourself a coin ring made by me, you can just tap this logo up here and go visit my profile. I've got a store on there and a link to my store website, so go check it out. And you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. There's lots of cool stuff on there, and just go check it out. Yeah. We're going to go ahead and fold this. I've got a new charger on my phone, so it's dancing around a bunch. Thank you for sharing the video. That's very nice. If you guys haven't followed me yet, go ahead and give me a follow. It doesn't take very long, and I sure do appreciate it. There's our first fold, and we're just going to fold this a little bit more. Thank you for the rose. Coin Hub, thank you very much. Thank you for the follow, Crazy Life of Germ. There's our ring so far. It's looking pretty good. Thank you very much. Yeah, I've got these 2020 quarter coin rings on sale right now on my website, so if you're interested in getting you one, I'd hop over there, check it out. Thanks for the follow, Jesse. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool too. Alright, so the next thing we got to do is, you see this cut edge is a little thinner than the reeded edge, so we're going to start stretching that out. And to do that, we'll hop over here. Drop my phone on the ground like a pro. You see that? That's how the pros do it. Go to my ring stretcher and we'll start stretching this out. Go to the other ring stretcher. It's only illegal to deface currency if you're doing it fraudulently. For example, if you took a penny, made it appear to look like a dime, and tried to spin that, that would be illegal. But you can totally make jewelry out of coins. Because it's no longer a coin, it's a ring, and I'm very clear about that. Don't try and spend my jewelry, it's not a good idea. Like a pro, that's right. So if you're not dropping stuff, you're not doing it right. So now it's looking a little bit more like a ring, but we're just going to even up the reeded edge. Make it nice and even. Well, if you want to get you one, you can click this logo up here and check out the link on my profile. I offer a bunch of different types of rings, so you can shop around and see what you really like. And you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10%. I sure would appreciate it. I usually hop on live and make my orders there, so this is actually for a customer. So you might get to see your ring get made if you place an order. If I don't make it on live, I usually make a video of it. If you haven't checked out my profile, there's a bunch of cool videos on there. You can definitely spend a bunch of time just checking out the different stuff I make. So I'm going to shrink this down just a little bit more to get it to a size 9. Doing pretty good. I got to get some shop time, so I'm in a pretty good mood. Yeah, you have to be a little bit more careful with the silver. It's just a bit more brittle, so it's more likely to snap and break while you're working with it. Copper's a lot more forgiving, but I just like silver better. It just looks better. It makes nicer rings. They last longer. They've got a better shine. They aren't going to turn your finger green. So I prefer silver, even though it's harder to do. So I'm just honing right in on size 9 there, and I think we've got it. See if my focus will let me give you guys a good look at this. Looks pretty good. Still a little out of focus. And I'm going to reduce that cut edge just a smidgen. Thank you guys for the follows. I do appreciate it. There we go. That looks pretty good. What was the first ring I did? It was just a regular quarter, probably like a 1990 something quarter. Just because I had a bunch of them around and I didn't mind messing up. Yeah, these are quarters. Yeah, when I first started, my rings did not come out looking very good. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years. I try and make a ring every day, and they just get better and better. It's not illegal, no. It's about as legal as a penny smasher. A penny smasher that you would find at like amusement parks. I have a blog post about it on my website if you want to check it out. This really does not want to focus. Let's try over here. Now it's super shiny, as you can see. I ran some steel wool over it to kind of knock off any corrosion or oxidation. Get a nice shine to it. There we go. And that's our Weir Farm 2020 quarter coin ring. Pretty cool. This one's a size 9, and it's still got some cleaning up to do. I'm still going to polish and wash it up a little bit, but that's about how it goes. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's all I had to do today. If you want to order a ring, like I said, just tap this logo up here or visit my profile. Go to coinringmaker.com, order you something cool, and you might just see your ring get made on TikTok. Alright, I hope y'all have a great day, and I do appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't followed me yet, go ahead and give me a follow. And use the coupon code WELCOME. Save 10% on my website. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to hop off here. But again, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day.